Chubbies! Welcome to my channel. This is my secondary YouTube channel for travel, food, and much more traveling related. I hope my videos can be helpful for your travel needs. So sit back, grab your popcorn, enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is quite special because we're staying in Avani Goldcoast Resort, a hidden gem resort in Sepang. And to go here, you really need a car. We took an AirAsia ride from the airport and it took us about an hour to get here. And believe me, it's not easy to find a driver who wants to take us here because the location is so secluded. But after we arrived, everything feels so worth it. The resort really is beautiful. This is the lobby area. While we're waiting to check in, they served us welcome drinks. The resort staffs are friendly. We can see the beach from here, but at that time it was ebb tide, so we can see it's quite dry. At noon, the tide will go back and fill the land with water. Now we're heading to our room, but since the location is quite far from the lobby, so they took us with a buggy. The driver was very friendly and gave us a quick tour around the resort. Beside the buggy, resort guests can also borrow a bicycle, so it's easier to go anywhere around the resort. Avani has an overwater pool, gym, spa, and Avani Kids Club. This is our room. Our room type is superior room. The room size is 52 square meters, so it's a great size. Wow, they prepared complimentary snacks, chocolates, and fruit too. That's a great service. The ceiling is high, everything looks nice in this room. This room has aircon, but they also provide ceiling fan. Now, the great part of the room is the balcony. We can relax and enjoy the view from here. Avani Sepang Gold Coast Resort is a unique resort because the room is an overwater type with private balconies. We never tried this kind of resort. Maybe a little bit like Maldives, but in the economical type. If you look at the resort from up view, it will look like a palm tree. The weather is really hot that time, so let's go back to the room. Under the TV table, there's a mini fridge, and beside it, there are complimentary mineral water, teas and coffees need facilities, water kettle. In the closet, there is a safe deposit box, slippers, and on the other side, there's an iron and ironing board. The bed is king size and it's comfy. Let's see the bathroom. The size of the bathroom is not so big and everything is quite standard here. It's clean and has everything we need. Now let's explore the hotel. This is an ATV track. We can rent an ATV, of course with extra cost. But when we went there, there's no staff to be seen. In front of the ATV track, there's a private beach. Even though it's not a blue water beach, but yeah, at least we can just relax and sit on the beach bench. This is the after sunset view from our balcony. It's pretty, but the great view is in the morning. When the sun starts to rise, it feels so peaceful. See the gym first. It's called Avani Fit. Well, honestly, Avani Fit wasn't that good. Almost all the equipment is quite old, dusty, and only a few that actually can work. We prefer bicycling around the resort or swimming in Avani. In Avani, we tried 2 restaurants. The first restaurant is Hii Chubbiess. We had our dinner and first day breakfast there. For us, this is the best restaurant in Avani. They serve a great Chinese set cuisine and their dim sum are the best. The second restaurant we tried is Bila Bila Restaurant. We had breakfast on the second day there. okay. It has a big space, so it's comfortable to dine there. Well, that's all for this video. Hopefully this video can help your travel needs.